Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the joint precisely. Clean both metal surfaces with acetone to remove oils, then roughen them with 120-220 grit sandpaper so the adhesive can bite. Once done, test fit the parts and verify the gap is no more than 0.5 mm. Larger gaps need filler or a different adhesive. Make sure to wear nitrile gloves and work in a ventilated area. Apply the metal glue sparingly along the roughened edge. Press parts together briefly to distribute the adhesive evenly before clamping. You clamp the assembly with steady, even pressure so the adhesive layer stays thin and continuous. Use cauls to prevent localized crushing on thin metals. Once clamped, follow the product's cure schedule. Many metal glues cure faster with moderate heat, so warm the part to the specified temperature if safe. After initial set, reinforce high-load joints by applying a backing epoxy or fillet along the seam. Make sure to remove excess squeeze-out before full cure, so the finish is clean and bonding surfaces remain intact. You finish by inspecting the bond once the adhesive reaches full cure. Look for continuous contact, no gaps, and a uniform fillet. Test the joint gradually to the expected load instead of applying full force immediately. If cosmetic finish is needed, sand smooth and apply primer and paint to prevent corrosion. If a bond fails, don't panic. Clean both surfaces, re-roughen to bare metal, and either reapply the correct metal adhesive or consider mechanical reinforcement like rivets. This single troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.